Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to talk to you about ProfitVideo. Now this is a new product by Radu, Mike Mackay and Colleen Yohan, and this is due to be released on Thursday the 23rd of September at 11 AM Eastern. Now basically this is a brand new software that apparently is going to be a Camtasia killer, and it lets you record your screen, capture and edit videos in the cloud within minutes. So the selling point here is going to say goodbye to expensive and complex video editors or having to pay others for your videos. So we'll take a look inside the editor. I'll show you the kind of functionality this actually has. And then I'll talk to you a little bit more about this sales page and why I think that it's a little bit over the top for what it actually provides at the end of the day. And there is some discrepancies when you actually go through the sales page itself. So guys, these reviews are based on my own opinion, based on many years online buying products just like this one. And the aim of the reviews is you just get a little bit more information before you go ahead and decide to buy any kind of product or service online. And guys, if you haven't been over to the channel before, please take 2 seconds to hit that subscribe and notification bell so I can let you know whenever I produce new videos. And if you're really interested and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. So guys, let's have a look at this. Basically, you can record your screen, capture unlimited videos on our cloud-based software. You can use the built-in Black Canvas timeline editor. It's an AI-based video creator. You publish and share with one click, commercial license included. You can create jaw-dropping attention thumbnails, multiple input sources, input any video, audio, background, clip, cut, trim or any videos. So far I've seen the same functionality as every other video editor does. Overlay animations, done for you templates built in, subtitles, annotations, watermarks, one click away. Unlimited free end-to-end SSL encryption protects you and your privacy. You can add our done for you videos if you don't want to be live yourself. 100% newbie friendly, no monthly fees, double your money back guarantee, and 24/7 support from marketing gurus. So that's kind of the overall pitch here. When you go through the sales page, there's a few more things that I want to show you, but we'll go through that once I've been to the editor. So basically what this is a very, very simple video editor. So you come over here, you hit home, you get this very simple demo video here. Takes 30 seconds to play. This is the video they're showing on their sales page. And then you've got the video maker here. So here's the editor, guys. Now what you do is you actually have your media over here on the left hand side. Now there's some done for you media here, or you can go ahead and import a file into the system, which at the end of the day you have to import a video file into this editor. And if you have a video file here, then you've probably already got an editor, so you don't need this at all. If I just go ahead and use this one as an example, this is a file that they provided already. Now I've been experimenting with this already, and I am a little bit irritated with how long everything's taking, because I use Camtasia, which is obviously, this is designed to kill Camtasia. But the problem is Camtasia is a lot more powerful than this will ever be. This is a cloud-based software, and I worry that when you get multiple users on this cloud using this server, this is just going to get slower and slower and slower. So if I come along here, the idea is I can do some edits on this particular video, this down in my clipboard here, and I can use these to actually edit it. So I can go ahead and rotate it. Apparently I can add filters to it, I can cut things off it. So if I go ahead, and this is an 8:16 video, let's see if this works. I'm going to cut out, yes, I'm going to cut out the beginning of this and see what video length I end up with. And that's giving me now the 43-second video left. So that does work. Let's go ahead and add some text. I had problems with adding text a minute ago. I want to go ahead and add some text to this. I'll give it what kind of text I actually want to add. And then let's have this nice and big so I can see it. And I'll add text. And again, each time I do this, I'm waiting for this please wait. Again, I can't see my text anywhere on this. I've just added. Go ahead and put a watermark in. So if I just add this site favicon and I want it bottom right, I'm going to go and add that. I'm trying to find my watermark I've just added on here. So a lot of this stuff doesn't seem to be working to me. I'm not sure why these functionalities don't seem to be actually working. So let's come back here and let's try and just put a watermark here. Let's actually tell it to put a watermark there. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on the watermark and let's see if it'll start adding one from there. So now if I come back, what I should find is a watermark should appear. So I personally aren't seeing these types of images appear on this clipboard at the moment. So I think it's a little bit clunky for me. I obviously wouldn't use this because I've already got Camtasia, but it is a very, very cheap editor that you can use to make very, very simple, cheap videos. Now you can go ahead and look at this page on responsive now, so I'm going to go ahead and wait. You can go ahead and utilize this to do screen recordings and cam recordings as well. So if you wanted to record your screen, it would allow me to record my screen on here. So I'd go and click that. If this will actually load up. Again, I'm having to wait for the editor. This is telling me there's a bandwidth issue with this particular editor because I've got a very, very powerful computer here and I don't usually have these types of issues with these types of programs. And then it just crashed. This is the problem when you start using these types of softwares, guys. So I'm back, guys. That all crashed out and then came back in. This is one of the issues when you start using these types of very, very cheap softwares. They are cloud-based. They are very cheap. Obviously, $15 is very cheap. But you do get this issue where they're not being properly maintained or they're very, very fragile. This needs a lot of server power to start storing videos and creating videos. And I don't think this is going to be up to the job when you have multiple people using this type of software at the same time. It's very, very cheap, guys, and if you're looking for a cheap video editor, I would definitely go ahead and use something like Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic is very, very powerful. It does everything that this does and more in spades, and it is literally $20 a year. You can actually have it completely for free. I'll leave a link in the description below. Not an affiliate link, guys. You can have this for free, called Screencast-O-Matic, and it does everything. It captures your screen. I use it myself. It takes screenshots. You can go ahead and use the webcam. You can add videos. It'll do everything that you need to, as well as publishing directly to all of the major platforms. And this is a very, very big company, and they do a lot of great video resources for you to use. So I would definitely use Screencast-O-Matic rather than this, even though it is cheap, guys. This is $15, but when you start bringing in all of the different OTOs, you're better off using this, in my opinion. Now I'm going to go back to the sales page itself. The issue I have with these types of vendors is also they can't be honest on a sales page. So ProfitVideo here, they really kind of take you down a very hypey route here. At the end of the day, this is just a very, very cheap video editor. You can buy these on Code Canyon, and it's very cheap and cheerful. But when you start looking at things like financial results, this is where it goes downhill. They're not making $90,000 by using this software. These have been thrown on here with no relationship whatsoever to this software. And the reason I know that is if I look at this financial result here, which is on this page for making videos, just take a look at more typical results we're getting, which is they're saying they're getting it with this particular software. And if you go to a product called Get Prime, which was based on using Zoom, they're basically just copying and pasting the same graphics. Now you can run webinars with unlimited traffic, and they're saying that this is the money they're getting from that. On this one, you can create lots of different videos, and this is the money they're getting from that. Just the same graphic copied over. And the other thing I don't like to see on these sales pages these days is the complete fake testimonials, guys. So if I come down here, all of this is nonsense. It's not going to kill Camtasia. Camtasia is a million times better than this, although it does cost a lot of money. So I'm not advocating you buy it if you can't afford Camtasia. I definitely start with Screencast-O-Matic. But you come down to any of these testimonials and just look at on previous sales pages. There's one here called Profit Contact. Again, copied and pasted over. All of these guys are saying practically the same thing. So in here you have, when I first saw ProfitVideo, I had to ask myself the question, will this cloud-based video editor come over to here? When I first saw Profit Contact, I had to ask myself the question, will this WhatsApp autoresponder, etc., etc. These are all the same, all made up, guys. And basically none of these testers have tested this or made $1 with it, I'm afraid. I don't like to see that on sales pages. I'm marking this well down for that. I would give this a 3 out of 10 based on the fact that it does work. It's very cheap and cheerful. But if you want a high quality software to make your videos with, I would definitely use something like Screencast-O-Matic rather than this. So guys, it's very scant detail about the types of funnel these guys are offering for this, but the front end version is going to be $17 down to $15 if you take their very small discount. Upsell 1 is ProfitVideo Pro Edition, which is $37 down to $27. Upsell 2 ProfitVideo Enterprise Edition, $47 down to $37. Upsell 3 ProfitVideo Done For You Edition, $39 down to $29. Upsell 4 ProfitVideo Reseller Edition, $97 down to $67. And Upsell 5 ProfitVideo IMX Bundle, $997 down to $97. Now, if you take these upsells, guys, you might as well just buy Camtasia, because these are just going to be more expensive by the time you bought all these upsells. So guys, in conclusion, the video editor is very cheap and cheerful. It works. If you want to go and grab that for $15, go ahead. I think you're going to have a few problems in the future with this being maintained, and the fact that your videos are going to take up a lot of space on their server, and it's just going to get progressively slower. I've had a few issues just testing it out very simply now, and I'm seeing it crash a lot, so I'm not really impressed. I would definitely go ahead and check out something like Screencast-O-Matic. I'll leave a link to that below. And then when you just look at the general way that they're selling this, is so overhyped. The financial results are completely false, and all of the testimonials again are just not true, guys, and it's very disappointing. I hope that brings value to you guys. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.